Maybe I should have stayed with this freestyle what the city sound like.
You talk to him real fast. Ain't nobody gon' ain't nobody gon' do what I do for the sack. Boom, they know how I get. Instead of crashing out, I'm trying to do my best. Take us out the P's and get us on them jets. Live a life we ain't never expect. Every day I'm thinking about what happens next. Who gon' shoot for me? I end up getting stretched. What you giving out is what you get. You get what you get, you never get upset. Where I'm from, niggas be hungry and we need the money. The right price you getting left. I don't want a label, I just want the neck. And if I shit fat, then I might want the sex.
Hey, let's talk like this.
Never be with rookies, only hang with vets. God, look, like where to support at? You on goofy shit, I can't support that. Why the fuck you can't follow the format? You not on the shit that we on and you off that. For my gagas, I need them more back. And fuck rap, we use knee deep before that. Niggas this on the dead like they crazy, so I guess you gotta get high with a more back. God, you don't know how I feel to go back and niggas down so you can have food in your stomach. 3 deep when after we high. Hopefully nobody gotta get punished. Cause we need the money, you know how we coming. He can see it in my eyes, I ain't for nothing. I lost bro, my body started numbing. Fuck is a remorse, these niggas is bugging. I need it back in blood, back against the wall, it ain't no love. Had to back him, he knew what it was. Why you did it, nigga, just because. Shit like Century, why you need that gun? This is what's protecting me from numb. Go against the grain, you getting burned. Thinking I'm lagging it, he gotta be dumb.
Nah, why you just walk like that?
Instead of crashing out, I'm trying to do my best. Take us out the P's and get us on them jets. Live a life we ain't never expect. Every day I'm thinking about what happens next. Who gon' shoot for me? I end up getting stretched. What you giving out? What you get?
Glizz be lyrical with it, like, I ain't gonna lie. He's talking like he's walking on this one.
I just want the neck. And if I shit fat, then I might want the sex. Please know we only chasing them checks. Never be with rookies. Only hang with vets. God.
Man, Glizz. Since when you can talk like this, nah, I ain't gonna lie, Glizz is really lyrical.